Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I've decided to do a Project Pan update since we're through half of 2018. So I had 13 products in my Project Pan and I have used up 13 products. Some of the things I used up and some of the things I just removed from my collection because whilst I was using it, I really couldn't use it up because I really didn't like it or it had gone bad or one of those things. So for the products that are left and what is the condition, I will go through that. So the first one is the MAC Pink Nouveau lipstick, which is hardly any left. So I think I will definitely go through this. And then the next one is the MAC Freckle Tone, which you can see is not in a very good condition already, but I'm still trying to use it up before it falls apart. The next thing is the MAC Nude Sticks. So for these ones, the blue one it fell out and it broke. I'm not sure if you can see that. And for the nude one, I've used up nearly all of it. There's like hardly any left. So I'm sure to get through these two soon enough as well. So now for the next thing is the Dior blush. I have hit pan on this already, and as you can see, used quite a bit. So I'm hoping to get through this by the end of the year. And there's this clear Dior lipstick. This is quite a bit left, but I feel Dior lipsticks you go through really fast, especially this kind of packaging ones. So I think I will get through this. The next thing is the Bobbi Brown concealer. There's only a bit left around the rim, but I might just throw this out because I have used quite a bit and this tends to crease under my eyes a lot, so I don't really enjoy using it. The next thing is the MAC translucent powder. I'm wearing this today all over my face and it does give a good finish, but I feel it makes my skin look a little powdery and white, so I don't enjoy this. So I will probably use as much as I can, but the rest I will probably just throw out as well. The L'Oreal BB cream, this is like my go-to everyday cream and I'm nearly out of this as well. And my MAC Tartelette eyeshadow palette. This one I've hit pan in one of the shades that I love a lot, and the other ones I am trying to use up as much as I can. I have this on my eyes today as well. Now there's this Urban Decay concealer I'm using. There's still quite a bit left though, so I'm not sure how much of it I can use. And this Sephora spray, there's a lot of it, so I don't know how much of this I will be able to get through either. The next is the MAC Lip Primer. There's still quite a bit left. I usually tend to forget about this, but when I do remember, I use it and I really like how it gives the finish for my lipstick, so it's nice. The next is the, what is this? The MAC Forever Green eyeliner. So I've been using it, but not a lot, I guess. There's this Dior lip collagen. I've used this quite, lip maximizer, yeah. So I've used this quite a bit and I think I will finish this. The last two things on my list is the Estee Lauder lip gloss. It looks really, really nice on your lips. Your lips look like glossy and shiny and it smells amazing, but there is a lot of it to get through, so I'm not sure if it will happen. And this is the MAC Tinder Tone. I've been applying this every day before I go to bed, so I think I can use quite a bit of it, and it smells amazing. So this is my update on what I have finished and what I have like not finished. And for what I have finished, I'm just quickly gonna run through the list. So there was the Urban Decay setting spray, which I completely ran out of. There was the Rimmel powder that also I finished, and the Life Forward eyeliner. Then there was a MAC Mineralized lipstick in Rich Era that smelled really bad, so I just removed it. And then there was a Revlon lip butter that I used up as well, a Gucci perfume that I used up, and a Dior lipstick in the shade Berry that also I used up. My Anastasia eyebrow pencil I've used up, and there was the Benefit brow product that I had, the powder one. I did not use it, and I couldn't have used all of it, and I just threw it out. And my L'Oreal Mineralized blush, because it was really old and I just felt I couldn't use it. So, and there was a Benefit Professional primer that I used up. Also, I had a Guerlain brown color lipstick that I didn't use up, sorry, I threw out because I just couldn't use that. And a MAC lip gloss I used up. So out of the 13 things, I threw out four things. But on the side, I used up 11 other products. Some were just small samples, and some were the proper products. So I used up 11 more products, and I'm actually very proud of myself. And I do think that the Project Pen is helping me use up more of my products, even if it's not just the 30 in my Project Pen, but additional ones. Like, I have a few more MAC lipsticks that are like reaching the end, which I do hope to finish up as well in addition to these products. Enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram as Makeup Diaries by Sukrita. Till next time, bye guys!